Hey everyone and welcome back. My name is Akib and here in this video you are going to learn how you can collect subscribers from a subscription form into an email marketing tool automatically. Okay, so here we have taken the example of Pabbly Form Builder and Mailercloud. Okay, so this automation that we are about to set up is going to save a lot of your manual efforts and time. Let me show you how. So guys, the flow of this automation will look something like this. Here you can see we have used Pabbly Form Builder application to build a subscription form, and as and when any person is going to fill this form, the same person is going to be added here in a list in Mailercloud application automatically. Okay, so here we have taken the example of Pabbly Form Builder. In place of this, you can use any form builder application like Jotform or Google Forms to create a subscription form. And here in place of Mailercloud, you can use any other marketing tool as well. Okay, so here you need not to manually copy and paste the data of your of your subscriber, and you need not to manually add the subscribers one by one in any marketing tool. So as and when any person is going to fill this form, he is going to be added here in a list automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, you can set up this automation in very few steps without any coding skills and without any programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, here. And to reach here, guys, you have to check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you have to create a workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, just click here on this create workflow button and provide a name to your workflow in this name field. So that can be any suitable name as you want. I am filling the name as Pabbly Form Builder to Mailercloud automation. Okay, so after filling the name, you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of this automation, and our automation is going to work on this trigger and the action. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to start or trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission received from Pabbly Form Builder, and the action would be to add the same person who have filled the form as a contact in Mailercloud's list. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger section, and from this choose app field you have to choose your trigger application, which is Pabbly Form Builder. So search for it and select it, and you have to select the trigger event as new form submission, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Mailercloud. Okay, so you can follow the not Mailercloud, with Pabbly Form Builder. So you can use these instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, just copy this URL from here. Okay, and go back to the dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder. This is the Form Builder's dashboard, and here I have created this form. Okay, this connect with us form. So I'm using this connect with us form. So to integrate this, just click here on this integrations option on the left hand side panel. Okay, and from here you have to select your form from this list first, connect with us. Then click on this create webhook button here, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, then click on save. Okay, and a new webhook is added here. Now you can see here it started as you have added the webhook URL, here in this response received section, you will find this label and the value. Okay. Now click here on this recapture webhook response button, then click on yes from here, and it will start showing waiting for this webhook response. Okay. So now you have to perform a test submission, or you have to fill the form on the behalf of any test lead, or let's say test subscriber. Okay, and we are going to fetch the details of the form submission here in this workflow. So I'm going to open my form from here, from this forms list. Okay, this is our form, and let me fill in the details of the person who is filling the form. Let's say John Harrison is filling this form, and this is the email address of this person, this is the phone number, and these are the address details. Now I'm going to click on submit, and you can see the form is submitted successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this form, and here you can see we got the data of the form submission here in this response received section like this. Here you can find the first name, the last name, and all the details the person who want to connect with us has filled in the form. Okay. Now I want to add the same person who have filled our form in Mailercloud application, which is an email marketing tool. So for that to happen, you have to connect Mailercloud here in the section step. So from the section step, search for Mailercloud. Now select the Mailercloud application. Okay. After that, in the action event, you have to select this option, add contact to list. Okay. Then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key to make this connection. Okay, so you can find these API key under the integrations section of Mailercloud application. So you can follow these instructions written here. Let me show you how you can do this, how you can find this. So guys, this is my Mailercloud's applications dashboard. Okay, and here I'm going to click on this profile icon, and I'm going to click on account section, and this is the account section, guys. From here I'm going to click on integrations and API integrations. So this is the API key you can use if you have already created a key, or you can create a new key by clicking on this create API key button. Okay, for now I am going to use this existing key. I'm just copying this key from here and paste this key here, then click on save, and you will be connected with Mailercloud like this. Okay, right now it is asking in which list you want to add the subscribers. So I have many lists here. So these are the lists I have in Mailercloud. Okay, and I'm going to add this person in this Pabbly Form leads list. Okay, so I'm selecting this Pabbly Form leads list from this list drop down, and here it is asking email of the person of the contact. Okay, and now it is asking contact type and all these things. So I'm going to use the data that I have received in the very first step, okay, from the form, and I'm going to map this data here. Okay, so for mapping the data, just click here on this field, and you will find this Pabbly Form Builder, which is the first step in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only, map the email, make the contact type as active. Okay, you can choose the contact type as you want from this list. I'm making it active. For the first name, use the same process, map the first name. For the last name, use the last name. Okay, phone number is here, you can see. Country details are also present here, city details are also present here. Okay, and you can map all the things if you have the data. Right now I am leaving these things blank, okay, because I do not have the data, and these are not compulsory things. And here in the lead source, you can enter the name of the lead source. I am entering the lead source name as Pabbly Form. Okay, now you can check your connection with Mailercloud by clicking on save and send test request, and you will find a new contact is going to be added here in this list, which is Pabbly Form leads. Okay, so I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and let's see what happens. And this is the response we have received. It is showing us a ID. Let's check in the list in Mailercloud if we got the data. So I'm refreshing this list here. Okay, and here you can see John is added here automatically. Okay, so you can find out all the details related to John here by opening this contact. Okay, and these are the same details that we have mapped here, which is fetched here like this. Okay, so our connection is working fine and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once, and you have to map the data only once here. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, if any person is going to fill your form, he is going to be added in Mailercloud's list automatically. Let me show you a real-time example also. So I am opening my form again. All right, and now let me fill the form again with some different name. Let's say the name now is Chris Morris. The email is this. Okay, the phone number, let's say, is this. Street. Okay, let me change the address a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to submit this form, and you can see the form is submitted. Now let me show you directly in Mailercloud application if we got the data of this contact or not. So let me refresh the contacts one more time. And here in this Pabbly Form leads list, in the contacts, you can see Chris is added here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And the best part is you can use the same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.